Greetings. In this quick video, I want to show you how to screw in a light bulb and how to unscrew a light bulb out of an outlet. And it's fairly simple to do, and don't beat yourself up if you've never done it before. There's a first time for everything. So in order to screw a bulb into the light fixture here, we're going to have to get a bulb here. The average size is going to be 60 watts. That's going to be your average size light bulb. You can go up to 100 and 120 watts, but 60 is average, and some people go down to 40 watts. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and grab our bulb. All right, and then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to put it in the outlet, and then what you're going to do from here is you're going to go in a clockwise position. So basically, you're going to go in a right position. And the best way to remove that is like a screw, righty-tighty and lefty-loosey. And you keep turning it until it catches. See there, it caught. And then you push it all the way in. Let me go ahead and turn it off. And then you don't want to tighten it up to where it's like a grip, because you'll break it. You can actually break the bulb, and you don't want to do that. So just do it to where you get a little bit of give, but that's about it. All right, so that's pretty much how you screw it in. And to unscrew a light bulb, it's the opposite. So you want to go to the left, which is counterclockwise. Remember I said righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So now we're going to go this way, like that, and that's how you unscrew a light bulb. Now, one way you can tell if a bulb is bad, some of them, these are the energy savers, but they'll usually have like a little filament in there. It's like a little string wire, and if it's connected to two different poles, if that ligament is loose, then you can tell it's bad, or you can shake it. And if you shake a bulb and you can hear a rattling noise, that usually means that it's bad. All right, and if you are removing the bulb, of course you want to make sure that it's not hot, but of course, why would you remove it if the light is still good? All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.